as the Ukrainian drone army usually use a shape-charged warhead on their FPV drones to be able to penetrate thicker armor. It has the added benefit it can cause the ammunition to catch fire and even detonate. As seen with this 2S9 Nona-S self-propelled mortar system being targeted by a Ukrainian FPV drone strapped with an RPG warhead. As the drone strikes the back side section, the thin armor lets the shape-charged warhead to start a fire with the mortar's ammunition. Which causes an explosion short thereafter, tossing parts all around, destroying another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.